Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best ignition system is probably one of the most critical yet often overlooked components in your vehicle, directly impacting everything from fuel efficiency and engine performance to smooth idling and reliable starting, making a well-maintained and high-quality set of ignition coils and spark plugs absolutely essential for any car owner looking to optimize their ride's health and responsiveness. Number 5. BDFHYK Ignition Coil Pack UF487 and Iridium Spark Plug 6619. This set is designed for various Toyota models, including Camry, Highlander, RAV4, Sienna, and Venza, covering specific years and engine types. Please verify compatibility with your vehicle's original equipment before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. The ignition coils are crafted from high-grade silicon steel, Japan-imported rubber, and Germany-imported varnished wire. These premium materials ensure a long lifespan and superior performance for your vehicle. Its professional spark plugs feature high-tech iridium electrodes and unique ceramic construction. This design ensures quick starts and rapid acceleration, making your car feel as powerful as new. If your car is experiencing shaking, slow acceleration, or increased fuel consumption, especially after 80,000 kilometers, it might be time for a replacement. Installing this set can restore your vehicle's professional performance, making it feel like new again. BDFHYK is a professional auto parts manufacturer with over a decade of experience. They are committed to customer satisfaction, continuously updating their products based on feedback. What we like. This set boasts high-quality, imported materials for both coils and plugs, ensuring durability and optimal performance. Its iridium electrodes and unique ceramic design promise to restore your car's original power and responsiveness. If you're looking to bring back that new car feel with quick starts and fast acceleration, this is an excellent choice for long-term reliability. What people say. Number 4. BDFHYK Ignition Coil Pack UF242 and Iridium Spark Plug 4503. This set is designed for various Honda and Acura models, including Accord, Odyssey, TL, and CL. Please verify its fitment with your specific vehicle's details and OE numbers. OE checking is necessary before buying. These high-quality coil packs are crafted from durable silicon steel, Japan-imported rubber, and Germany-imported varnished wire. This ensures a long lifespan and superior performance for your vehicle. Please check OE, UF242, UF242, GN10168, C1221, 5C1013, 30520P8EA01, 30520P8FA01, 30520RCAA02. Our professional spark plugs feature high-tech materials, including an iridium electrode and unique ceramic. They ensure your car starts quickly and accelerates powerfully, feeling like new again. Please check OE, 4503. Is your car shaking, failing to start, or accelerating slowly after 80,000 kilometers? These issues, along with increased fuel consumption, indicate it's time for a replacement. This set can resolve those problems. Installing them will provide a professional user experience, making your car feel like new. You can confidently choose this set to revitalize your vehicle's performance. They can offer you a professional user experience and make your car like new. We are a professional auto parts manufacturer with over 10 years of experience. Our factory and experienced developers ensure high-quality products, constantly updated based on customer feedback. Choose us, choose good service. What we like. This product is crafted with premium silicon steel and imported materials, designed for a long service life. It promises a professional user experience, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. If you prioritize durability and a consistent, reliable performance for your daily drives, you should consider this option. What people say. Number 3. RANSOTO Ignition Coil Pack UF549 and Double Iridium Spark Plug 9029. Is your car struggling with hard starts, misfires, or poor fuel economy? These issues can be frustrating and impact your driving experience. Our product offers a solution to these common problems. This set is specifically designed for various Nissan models from 2007 to 2019, including Altima, Rogue, and Sentra. It fits 1.6L, 1.8L, 2.0L, and 2.5L engines. Please verify compatibility with your specific vehicle. These components are direct replacements for several OEM part numbers, ensuring a perfect fit. They are engineered to seamlessly integrate with your vehicle's existing system. Our ignition coils and spark plugs are crafted with high-conductivity materials like copper core windings and dielectric epoxy. This ensures stable electrical transmission and maintains your vehicle's original performance. Featuring iridium-tipped electrodes and alumina ceramic insulation, these parts provide consistent spark generation. This robust construction effectively combats degradation from prolonged use. By replacing your old components with these, you can eliminate issues like long crank times and inconsistent shifts. They help restore optimal engine function and improve overall driving efficiency. What we like. This set features precision-engineered components with high-conductivity materials for stable electrical transmission. Its enhanced durability, thanks to iridium-tipped electrodes and alumina ceramic, ensures consistent spark generation. If you're looking for components built to maintain original performance standards and withstand prolonged mileage, this is a solid pick. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Therefore, no points can be quoted or generated. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to enable extraction of helpful points. Number 2. TRQ Ignition Coil and Spark Plug Kit. Upgrade your vehicle's ignition system with this comprehensive kit. It provides everything you need for a reliable and efficient spark. This kit includes 5 high-quality ignition coils and 5 iridium spark plugs. You'll have all the essential components for a full replacement. Designed for various Volkswagen models from 2005 to 2014, including Beetle, Golf, Jetta, Passat, and Rabbit. Please check the full compatibility list for your specific year and model. For over 25 years, TRQ has been a premium choice for direct fit replacement parts. You can trust its quality and precision engineering. Ensure perfect fitment by using the Amazon Garage feature. Always review the detailed compatibility chart before making your purchase. TRQ provides an extensive catalog of DIY videos to guide you through the installation process. Its mission is to help you view before you do, making repairs more accessible. What we like. This kit is known for its direct fit replacement parts, ensuring seamless compatibility with your vehicle. What truly sets it apart is the extensive catalog of DIY installation videos, making repairs more accessible. If you're a DIY enthusiast who values clear guidance and wants to tackle installations with confidence, this brand is your go-to. What people say. Number 1. RANSOTO Ignition Coil Pack UF 596 and Double Iridium Spark Plug 4912. Experiencing issues like hard starts, misfires, or poor fuel economy. These common problems can indicate a need for an ignition system upgrade. It's time to restore your vehicle's peak performance. Introducing our premium ignition coil pack and double iridium spark plug set. This comprehensive kit is designed to provide a reliable and efficient solution for your vehicle's ignition needs. It's engineered to bring back smooth operation. This kit offers extensive compatibility for various L4 1.8L models from 2008 to 2015. It fits popular Toyota, Lexus, Pontiac, and Scion vehicles. Check the full list to ensure it's the right fit for yours. Its double iridium spark plugs provide consistent spark delivery, even in diverse driving conditions. The engineered connectors guarantee stable electrical transmission. They are also designed to resist heat degradation, ensuring long-term reliability. Durable epoxy encapsulation protects its coil components from contaminants, ensuring consistent idle and reliable cold starts. High-conductivity copper windings improve spark energy, which helps preserve your fuel economy. This leads to a more efficient engine. The thermal-resistant polymer housing maintains structural integrity even under sustained operation. Its multi-layer insulation technology minimizes voltage leakage. This design ensures maximum efficiency and safety for your vehicle. Don't let engine problems hold you back. Replacing your old ignition coil can resolve issues like misfires and poor fuel economy. Give your car the reliable performance it deserves with this essential upgrade. What we like. This product offers optimized ignition system components, featuring double iridium spark plugs for consistent spark delivery. Its durable epoxy encapsulation and thermal-resistant housing protect against contaminants and maintain structural integrity. If you prioritize enhanced performance, stable combustion, and improved fuel economy under varied driving conditions, this kit is engineered for you. What people say. Error: no source reviews were provided to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to fulfill the request. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.